At Wiivv, we make custom 3D printed bionic gear that you capture from a smartphone.
We chose to do a custom insole first because we believe every step you take is untapped energy, untapped potential.
We wanted to combine the best of both worlds, the affordability and accessibility of over-the-counter insoles and the biomechanic benefit of a custom orthotic. That's why we started this company. We realized we could solve a universal problem. 8 in 10 people experience foot pain at some point in their lives.
Throughout the day, your arch is going to go unsupported, and why that matters is the muscles are actually going to collapse, and that leads to foot fatigue. What Wiivvs do is we offer custom arch support, which is going to lessen that foot fatigue. And you can't get that off the shelf because every arch is completely different, left to right, person to person.
The customization engine that we've built, really it's allowing the use of a pervasive platform today, which is the mobile phone. It allows us to take data about the human body from a phone that everyone has in their home. So that secret sauce, that magic of taking that data, turning that into geometry and then manufacturing it is really the kind of magic of Wiivv. There's a range of different 3D printing approaches. What we use is something called SLS, selective laser sintering. The roller spreads a fine layer of powder into a really flat layer, and then it's passed over with a laser selectively. You can see it melting the layers of plastic in a slice of the three-dimensional object until you end up with a 3D object embedded in a block of powder that you then need to exhume.
Our ultimate goal is to add 10 active years to people's lives, and that's predicated on people being able to be active. That starts at the feet. We know the pursuit we're taking on is not easy. To build software, an adaptive manufacturing platform, and a physical product, you just have to have that much more of a belief in why this is important.
You know, for us, these words, keep going, represent a culture and a lifestyle we want all our customers to embrace. Get out there, live, enjoy the world. And when you're done something you're proud of, then keep going.
We validated the biomechanics of our product by shipping thousands of pairs to practitioners and beta users across North America. And our product is ready to ship from right here in California.
We want to be one of the first companies in Kickstarter history to fulfill product the day we hit our goal. An on-demand custom product should be shipped on demand.
And if you help us reach our stretch goal, Wiivv pledges to announce its next product by summer 2016, right?
Right.
Good.
Robots for home is quickly becoming a reality. With NDBOT, we envision a future where humans and robots live together as one. NDBOT is the result of cumulative research in advanced robotics and human interaction to come up with a true humanoid design intended for functional purposes. We spent a great deal of time on perfecting NDBOT's arms to mimic the human body, so the actuators can perform the complex tasks which our muscles and joints can do so easily. For instance, you can call out to NDBOT and have your breakfast hand-delivered to you on a tray. Or, if you get locked out of your home, NDBOT can unlock the door for you with a simple text message from your phone. You will never have to worry about leaving your key in your home again. NDBOT comes equipped with a multitude of sophisticated sensors and technologies that can let you monitor your home like never before, especially when you are away or asleep. With NDBOT's advanced facial recognition technology, you will have total control over who can get close to you or your family. Any home intrusion will automatically alert local authorities, leaving your family safe and sound. NDBOT can also sense gas and temperature. An alert would be triggered if any type of gas leak or fire hazards are detected. We've even incorporated a portable oxygen supply system within NDBOT for your loved ones, especially for those of you that live in fire-prone areas. And you'll never have to worry about water damage either, because NDBOT can detect changes in humidity and moisture to help you reduce or prevent damages from bursting pipes, leakages, or flooding. With NDBOT, you can rest assured knowing that your home is in good hands. With NDBOT, we strive to create a robot that can open up the possibility for a new way of living.
NDBOT, can you tell me a story?
A new type of social robot which can adapt to a human lifestyle. A friend for you and your kids. Someone you can entrust to tell bedtime stories to your kids, leaving you and your partner more time to spend with each other. We are very excited to bring NDBOT to Indiegogo, a one-of-a-kind humanoid robot that can not only help us, but also socialize with us. We also believe that for NDBOT to succeed, it will need to be open source. So anyone out there can build upon what we have done so far and have the ability to integrate into some of the popular smart home or smart device platforms that exist today. Together, let's make the future more exciting. Welcome to the age of robots.
Hi, I'm Cypher, the designer of Vortex. Vortex is a revolutionary product for children. It is a smart and responsive robot that kids can play with and program. Using the Vortex and apps, kids can play different games, learn about robotics, and even create their own. Playing with Vortex is incredibly fun and easy thanks to its unified system and intuitive app. For example, the Bumping Fight is a sumo-style party game suitable for multiple players. The computer inside Vortex has sensors to detect motions like hitting, spinning, or being still. Vortex embraces new technologies and allows users to experience them. The Fugitive is a unique game with augmented reality and motion tracking technology. Children already love playing with our Vortex prototypes, and we can't wait for kids everywhere to get their own Vortex. Vortex is compatible with both iOS and Android devices and comes with an open SDK. Anyone who wants to develop a game for Vortex is empowered to do so because every Vortex is a dev kit. The only limit? Your imagination. Vortex's app allows kids to learn to program their robots in a fun, simple, and educational environment. By abstracting complicated actions and visualizing the process, the app teaches the basics of programming without any coding or advanced skill. Learning by doing has never been easier. Just drag, drop, and hit upload. That's simple. We wanted to make a great product, and to do it, we gathered the best people from industrial design, user experience, hardware, software, and game development. For the past 2 years, Vortex has undergone countless revisions and improvements, and we know that only through this process can we create a product that won't disappoint our future inventors. Vortex is built on Arduino, an open-source hardware platform. It can see and speak by using infrared, grayscale, and sound speakers. Vortex can find its way around obstacles, detect lines, and report back to you. We've pre-installed the program and done the assembling. Vortex is fun right out of the box. Just open the app, switch it on, and start exploring. Vortex is also designed to be highly customizable with colorful parts, stickers, and maps. We've come a long way in creating Vortex, and now we need your help to make it real. Thank you.
Hey, honey, time to sleep.
Good night, Vortex.
Good night, Julie. We are delighted to introduce you to Roby. Roby's not just a robot, it's a robotic learning platform.
Roby is the first commercially available 3D printed personalized robot. Roby balances on 2 wheels, has an onboard computer, in which you can program to add new tricks. Roby was designed in an open source community in which ideas are shared by people just like you.
It can walk on 2 wheels or drive on 4. It can even use tracks. No matter what age, you'll have fun building Roby yourself or with your family with our step-by-step guide. You can make Roby smarter with our full onboard computer. You can create its personality to your liking while learning programming. You can add computer vision, sensors, and learn basic electronics principles. You can even teach Roby to understand your voice commands.
Roby, what time is it?
The time is 11:15. Hello, John, how are you today?
Doing good. Thanks, Roby.
When you buy a Roby kit, you'll get all the critical components to build your own Roby. In the process, you can customize the design and the capabilities of your robot.
We at Socially Shaped are passionate about bringing these quality STEM toys to the marketplace so that kids can become more technically savvy. We've developed some amazing rewards that we know your family will enjoy. Help us launch Roby into the marketplace and help kids learn.
Greatest desire. It is what we all aspire to. All our efforts, all our dreams, all our ambitions. Can we truly be free? Can we feel it? Freedom. Now we can. We created a vehicle, a tool that will